Hey baritones, thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to work on the song Rivers by Samuel Hazo. This piece is the second movement in the Georgian suite. It's right after the song Our Kingsland Spring. And it's in the middle of the suite, which means when it's usually the second movement, it's usually the slow, lyric, beautiful movement. And Rivers is just that. In fact, I've got my metronome set to a slow 65 beats per minute to practice today through the piece. So join me and let's get started with the first 6 measures. This song's in 3/4 time and 4/4 time and has B flats, E flats, and A flats throughout. There are a few other notes and flats, and I'll make sure I point them out and tell you the fingerings as I remember to do so. So let's get started with our introduction, dotted half notes, 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, beginning, E flat, go. And you're decrescendoing to niente, or nothing. So die away in sound to absolutely nothing right before 7, where there's a pause. Oh, by the way, D flat, second and third. So make sure you play those 2 D flats with 2 and 3 valves. Next, it's measure 7, theme A abbreviated. It's just 5 measures. 1, 2, 3, measure 7, ready, go. At measure 12, we have theme B, and that's abbreviated as well. 5 measures rest, and then we come in with our D flat, like we did in measure 2, 2 and 3. I'll start counting halfway through those rests. Here's measure 12 with measure number 3 of rest. 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, ready, go. Measure number 23 and 24 are in 3/4 time, but they're rests, and the measure 24 has another grand pause moment. At measure 25, we've got theme A, and this is a longer version of the theme A. Remember that we've got A flat, first valve, to play here, and this also introduces G flat. G flat is 2 and 3, like D flat. There's an E natural in here, along with that G flat, so E natural is 2 and G flat is 2 and 3, but that's enough. Let's go from 25 to 37. 1, 2, 3, 25, ready, go. Bringing us up to measure 37, theme C. And this takes place in the bass instruments. We've got 3 measures rest, 2 beats, and then we'll play D and C, and then D and E flat. 37, go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 47, theme A, slightly faster. Again, remember A flats, first valve, G flats, second and third valve, and E natural, second valve. 1, 2, 3, 47. Ready, go. Measure 60 is all of the three themes, A, B, and C, together. We come in after 6 measures rest, and we'll play up to measure 70. In fact, we can continue into measure 70 because this is the same section of music that we played at 47 and at 25. So it's recurred 3 times. Start with me in our rests right before our measure 67. So we're going to be in the middle of that 6 measure rests. Measure 3, rest, rest. Measure 4, 2, 3. Measure 5, 2, 3. Measure 6, ready, go. That D flat is 2 and 3. All right, let's continue to the end from 81 using our 2 and 3 D flat. 1, 2, 3, 81, ready, go. One, two, three. That finishes it up for Rivers. Now it's your turn to go back and try playing this song with a metronome set at 65. Make sure you can play all the notes and rhythms correctly. Write down the fingerings to the notes that you're missing, and then, once you've mastered them, erase them and take them away. Also, remember to try playing along with the reference recording to see how your part fits into the greater song. And until I see you next time, keep practicing.